Cooking at home is healthy and saves money, but it doesn't need to be a chore. Stop spending hours in the kitchen chopping, slicing and dicing the old way and get the all-new Clever Cube Cutter, the fast food preparation station with 6 easy select blades that chop, dice, slice and julienne straight into the tray. Get fresh, money-saving, nutritious meals in just seconds. Unlike ordinary choppers that are hard to push, the secret to Cube Cutter is in the slanted top, creating the perfect angle. Slicing on one side first makes it easier to cut. The extra wide stainless steel blades are big enough to cut a whole onion in a single push with no hands near the blade. Use the larger blade, it's like 10 knives cutting at once. Use the finer blade, it's like having 22 chefs do all the work for you. Get a flawless, safer cut, all the same size, so it's cooked even with no soggy chips. Get thick cube cuts for stews, thin cube cuts for soups, and you can easily switch to the speed slicer and add the bonus safety hat and you're safely slicing like a pro. Effortlessly glide through carrots, perfectly sliced cucumbers, and cut through an entire capsicum up to 10 times faster than a knife. Quickly julienne and shred carrots and zucchini for fast, fresh poke bowls. Coarse grate the perfect potato and you've got delicious hash browns. Easily grate chocolate, cheese or lemon, and cleaning's a breeze. Just pop it in the dishwasher and when you're done, it self-stacks and stores easily in the drawer. Stop prepping the hard way or wasting hard-earned dollars on takeaways when you can save money and eat fresh the easy way.